What's up, guys? This is Chef Ron, and today I'm making my famous stir fry. So what we have today in today's stir fry, we're gonna do organic broccoli. We're gonna do some organic kale, peppers, mushrooms, red onion, and we're gonna put some cocoa liquid aminos. And we also got some potatoes in the oven. Ooh, they smell really good. And what else we got? I'm gonna do some sweet potatoes as well. Have some black bean burgers. Bam! For our sweet potatoes, we're going to air fry. No, we're gonna bake them. And this right here is the our place oven, which is really nice. But yeah, we're about to get into this stir fry. You see these guns, baby? And before every time we cook, we are going to do our ritual incense. I like to have good vibes while I'm cooking. Hum. That is just going. I'm gonna start with the mushrooms. I ain't doing all that knife. It's going in just like this. Tired, hungry. And I'm gonna add the stir fry. Well, the kale. Someone sent me a story about a girl. She was a fruitarian, and apparently, well, unfortunately, she passed away. And it's really sad because, you know, people always say, yeah, you vegans are malnourished, but apparently she has some other health issues. I don't think it was solely the fruitarian. Who knows? I don't know. But rest in peace to her. This is really good. Got it from Costco. And yeah, apparently it's ready to eat. I'm gonna put the peppers in last. These are a good snack too. Lately I've been buying all my produce fresh from the market. So for example, the kale, I just get it from the produce section. Kinda well, did I always do that? I think I always did that. No, I didn't. I would buy it frozen. And it just tastes different when you buy it how you're naturally supposed to buy it. This looks so good, y'all. I'm gonna add the cocoa aminos. We're gonna put some garlic powder, some onion powder. Make sure y'all see it. Onion powder. We're gonna do smoked paprika. Now I'm telling y'all, this YouTube cooking channel is up. Y'all hear me? Garlic powder. Celtic salt. Sprinkle that on there. Peppercorn, which I did not know this was pepper. I wish I could smell this. It smells so good. Let me show y'all how it's looking. Ooh, cooking with Ron. You know that girl cooking with I forgot her name. I want some of that good stuff right there. In all country talking, y'all. I want some of that right there. Right there. Look at that. Look at that. We getting all up in there. We getting all up in there. Look at that. Ooh. Guess I can add the peppers in there. sweet potato I made. It's the healthiest thing for you. I know I'm eating too late, but I don't care. Now it's time for black bean burger. I use clearly filtered for my purified water. So I froze them. Froze pretty cool. You can change. You can do it. Yeah, your cutting board is supposed to be as clean as your kitchen, obviously. Cooking with fun. And I am giving y'all thirst trap cooking bay. Here it is. Don't care. Say some mushrooms. Stir fry is perfecto. We got quinoa. I'll do 1 cup. So hot. All right, so we are finished in the lab, aka the kitchen, and I just wanted to show you all before I head to bed what we prepared for tonight. We got some roasted potatoes. We got some black bean burgers. We got some quinoa with some chickpeas. And lastly, but not least, we got stir fry. So that concludes tonight's session in Chef's Ron Vegan's Kitchen. Stay tuned for another series coming your way, your nearest theater. Go on Tuesdays because it's $5 on Tuesdays. But yeah, guys, that concludes tonight's. I hope you guys have a good night. My eyes are red, which means I need to go to bed. Ooh.